Hello guys, welcome back to Life and Living. Let's have a look on some modern kitchen ideas for 2023. Bespoke designs, color choices, and a variety of materials and finishes can help to personalize this room, which has evolved into the center of family activities. As the kitchen's function continues to change since the kitchen is the center of the house, homeowners are always asking for more improvements in this space. We want a chic area that not only looks nice but also adds usefulness to our everyday life. This includes islands, breakfast bars, and creative storage solutions in addition to a place to cook, eat, work, rest, and entertain. Here are 6 things to implement in your modern kitchen. Before we get into it, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Number 1. Using statement stones to add character. 2023 will see more countertop and kitchen design concepts that enable greater customization. Surfaces, particularly stone, can give an interior personality if cabinets and wall color aren't the main focal points. Even if there are new possibilities available every year, it appears that the design industry is shifting towards designs that are peaceful and neutral with occasional pops of color. In 2023, countertops with deep veining might be exactly what kitchens require. Number 2. Making use of a demo kitchen. The ability to purchase a used kitchen is made possible by showroom designs. A fully functional kitchen that is right on trend can be purchased. You'll reuse things and keep prices down in this method. It's a cost-effective and ecologically responsible choice. Number 3. Historical revival kitchen details and tiles. Utilize everything that you have. Renovating your kitchen in the next few years doesn't always require gut renovations. Certain designs, such as cottage style, are resurfacing, so you may easily update other aspects. In light of this, cabinetry, tilework, and lighting all have a lot of potential to modernize an interior. Number 4. Kitchen cupboard designs that save space. Kitchen styles for 2023 emphasize maximizing small spaces. Densely crowded cities are constantly in need of creative and space-saving designs. Stowaway kitchens have thus grown in popularity in small areas. This implies that a room can serve multiple purposes. When needed, a wood shutter could be used to cover a kitchen, giving the area a different use. The sleek and simple kitchen designs of 2023 can fit inside a typical built-in cabinet. Therefore, if you're thinking about renovating, have a look at one of the new, space-smart options. Number 5. Tiny luxurious prep areas. Short-term rentals are being given a luxurious makeover, particularly for last-minute vacations. Without a doubt, adding a tiny custom interior to your holiday rental makes it more appealing. However, it also makes following a kitchen makeover guide simple. To create a small-scale, luxurious kitchen in 2023, all you need is a corner cabinetry finished with eye-catching finishes. Number 6. Kitchen designs focused on the family in 2023. In 2023, family-friendly, comfortable areas with enough seating will be prioritized in residential kitchen designs. But the family-friendly rooms of the future will need to strike a balance between comfort and design. Additionally, the family's 4-legged members receive a space. Better kitchen islands have pet feeding stations neatly integrated in. These work really well in a side cabinet or as an attachment for a kitchen island. That's all for now. If you find this video interesting, like and leave your comment.